Model-based systems engineering allows you to look at your system in a more visual kind of way. There's a lot of graphical notation that goes with it. That can really help an engineer understand what they're looking at.
There's been agreement that MBSE, model-based system engineering, is a capability that is identified as important to NASA's future, and it is part of the digital transformation effort. It's just the next step in the evolution of the systems engineering.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.